Good morning, class 12th. In accountancy, we are going to start a new topic, the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Issue of Debenture. It is more or less similar to issue of shares. As we have discussed earlier, shares are issued to raise the finance from markets, long-term finance. Shareholders are owner of the company. But a company never raised its fund entirely from shares. It always tried to use all different sources of finance. So debenture is another source of finance. Company use shares, debentures as well as bank loans to raise its finance. So what is debenture? Today we are going to discuss a little bit theory of debentures. What is debenture? It is also a kind of loan, but this loan is not taken from a particular institution. Here loan is taken from general public, and when we take loan from particular financial institution, we take loan of big amount, crores of rupees. But when we take loan from general public, we take loan in small amount, maybe rupees, like debenture of 100 rupees, debenture of 500 rupees, debenture of 1000 rupees. Suppose debenture is of 1000 rupees, I want to purchase 20 debentures. 200 debentures, sorry, I want to purchase 200 debentures. It means I have to give a loan to the company for 2 lakh rupees. In this way, loan can be collected from general public also. So when general public is giving a loan to the company, they need a proof for that, and for that proof, a written document, a written certificate is issued by the company, which is known as debenture. So what is debenture? It is a written acknowledgement or written certificate of a debt. Debt means of a loan taken by the company. The loan which is taken by the company, the debt which is taken by the company from general public, that is known as debenture. जो लोग डिबेंचर खरीदेंगे, उनके डिबेंचर खरीदने के एवज में एक रिटन एक्नॉलेजमेंट दी जाएगी कि you are owner of 100 or 200 debentures of rupees 100 each or 500 each or 1000 rupees each. So that certificate is known as debenture. There are certain features of debenture. Number one, debenture holders are creditor for us. They are creditors for us because we have taken loan. The parties from whom we take loan or we borrow something are known as creditors. The debenture holders are creditor for us. Number two, why people will purchase debenture from us? The company is going to pay interest on debentures. Loan always carry interest, and here the rate of interest will be fixed. What the interest rate will be given by the company? It will be decided at the time of issue. Suppose company is issuing 10% debentures. It means the 10% is the rate of interest which will be given by the company every year. And this rate of interest is compulsory to pay. The rate of interest is compulsory to pay. Whether company is earning profit or not doesn't matter. Interest is to be paid means interest is to be paid. And this interest is to be paid before paying income tax.